Hello fabulous friends and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be creating this Margot Tenenbaum look for Halloween and if you're just feeling a little extra angsty. We're starting off with my foundation on and one eye and eyebrow complete. I have this wig, the hair clip, and even the fake finger in order to emulate Margot Tenenbaum, and of course the secret cigarette. I'm priming my eyelid with e.l.f.'s Shadow Lock Eyelid Primer in Sheer, and after applying it with a wand, I blend it out with my finger. For the base eyeshadow, I'm using Morphe's Matte Eyeshadow Palette in Nature Glow 350M, and using this color, which is close to my natural skin tone, I'm going to apply it with a fluffy and flat brush all over my lid. We're going to jump right into liner, and I'm using Maybelline's Lasting Drama Gel Liner in black with a plain liner brush, and I'm going to add a fairly thick line right on top of my lash line, and it doesn't have to be neat because we're going to be ultimately smudging this out quite a lot. Using a pencil style smudging eyeshadow brush, I'm simply dragging that across the gel eyeliner before it sets. I'm smudging it just enough so it does not go too far up my lid. Next, I'm going to use a gray eyeshadow from the Balm called Matte Batali, and I'm going to take that same little brush and I'm going to add a little of this color on top of the smudged area. Since this eyeshadow is a bit more sheer, I am bringing that color up slightly higher on the lid to give that even diffused look. Next up, ColourPop's Eyeshadow Palette in Little Ray of Sunshine, and I'm taking this color right here, which actually on the skin looks a bit more yellow than in the pan. I'm using a fluffy blending brush in order to add a bit of this color right on top of the gray shadow and bringing it into the socket for a little extra definition. To add some more definition to the liner, I'm using the liquid liner from the Balm in black, and I'm going to paint a very precise line right on top of my eyelashes in order to give a more defined look. Going back into that gray eyeshadow from the Balm, I'm going to put that on top of the liquid eyeliner just to give it a little bit more of a grungy feel. For the bottom portion of the eye, I'm using Wet n Wild's Color Icon Brow and Eyeliner in black, and I'm going to place that in my waterline and just below the lashes. Again, this does not have to be neat, as we will be smudging it out. Today's mascara is Milani's highly rated mascara in black, and I'm going to apply a generous coat to both my top and bottom lashes. Now, because I like a little extra drama, as we all know, I am going to be adding a natural looking false lash, but you could certainly leave the look at the mascara. To groom my brows, I'm using the Neutrogena Facial Bar in Transparent on a very lightly damp spoolie, just to put the hairs in place. To add some color, I'm using the light brown e.l.f. Lock-On Liner in Brow Cream to get it closer to a color that would match with blonde, though obviously my eyebrows are a lot darker than the wig, but this gives a more subtle and less harsh look. For blush today, I'm using my absolute favorite from Milani, LUMINOSO, and I'm going to be taking a blush brush and adding this to the apples of my cheeks and bringing it up my cheekbone for a little bit of contour. Also, because Margot Tenenbaum does have freckles, I'm going to bring this color to the top of my nose and slightly downward to give the illusion of a sun-kissed look. Today's lip color is ColourPop-Lippie Stix in the shade Who Run This, and I'm going to dab this on lightly to my bottom lip and then rub my lips together and apply a little bit more to the top. And using my finger, I'm going to blend it out to give a more subtle sheer look. To add a little bit of natural shine back into the lips, I'm just applying a simple lip balm. Any lip balm will do, and just blend it in with your finger. And now for the final look. I've added a fake fur coat, a bit more of a somber expression, and here we have my completed Margot Tenenbaum Halloween look. While this is a Halloween look, obviously with the wig and all the accessories, you could certainly use this makeup every day as a fun, grungy feeling eyeliner, etc. It's just super classic, and I love Margot Tenenbaum as a character, and it was a really great thing to put together. I know I'm a little bit behind on my Halloween series, but I think I'm honestly going to keep making Halloween looks through November, so keep your eye out for those. And as always, thank you so much for watching, my darlings. Please make sure you like and subscribe to this channel. And until next time, remember that the future is bright.